What's up everyone, J-Man Moto 24 here, come back at you with yet another video. But today I'm going to be doing an updated walk around of my beautiful 2005 DRZ400SM. Hope you guys enjoy. Also, I'm not going to be saying what I've done to the bike and whatnot. If you guys want to know what I've done to a bike, you know, give me 5 likes on this video and I'll you know, tell you what I've done to her. As always, if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe as it helps me out a great big massive deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and like I said at the beginning of the video, if I can get 5 likes on this video, I'll tell you guys what I've done to her. Alright, peace.